King Theo.
You.
Queen Ella. Today, we're feeling a little sick, huh?
Yeah.
We can't go to the park, right? We can't go to the gym. We can't go to the backyard. But does that mean that we stop having fun?
No. No.
So, what are we going to do today?
We're gonna make a Squid Game puppet.
Today, we're going to show our friends how to make a Squid Game puppet. What do we need? We need a piece of paper.
Something to color with and something to draw with.
Do they have to be crayons or markers? Or can you use whatever you want, whatever you have at home? Okay, so we're going to show you step by step. Are you ready, friends?
Yeah.
King Theo, can you show our friends how to fold the puppet?
So if you're doing this, do it at the...
Cut it in half.
Do it in half, and then...
Make a nice crease.
Puppy, one's like right here. Put it out to the sides. Then put it back up. Do that. Then flip it over. Put it up. Then put it back down. And then...
Yeah, great job. So, can I see that?
Yeah.
The goal is to fold it.
No, that's mine.
So, it's going to be in 3 parts, basically. So, you fold it in half.
4.
Well, yeah, you're right, King Theo. Okay, so then we're going to start drawing. So this is what it looks like. All right, King Theo, so show us the first step.
So we have to do a circle.
So first we do a circle.
If mine looks different, but then it's okay because we're having fun.
So we're doing a half circle on top and half circle at the bottom, right? And then what do we do after?
We do a circle. We got to do a bigger circle on the outside.
Okay, bigger circle on the outside.
Mine's a little way too big.
Oh, that's a nice little circle. Okay, and then?
I maybe don't have to do like the body maybe. So then you can do the
maybe
initial for Squid Game. You can do a triangle, a square,
or a circle, right? Okay, I think I'll do a triangle.
I want to do square. That's good.
And then if you want to do his sweater, you could technically do it from right here.
Yeah, but my head was way too big. So
that's cool. So yours doesn't, but that's cool. And then?
And there's going to be a surprise inside. And then we open it.
Okay, now we open it.
And then we connect the lines to the correct line.
Oh, nice. So the outside to the outside. The inside to the inside. Ooh, I see where this is going.
And then you do a line close to the head. You're right here.
A line?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then do some triangles.
Oh, I see what you're doing. Okay. I think I'm going to start mine right here. Ooh, this looks spooky.
Then do 3 circles. And then do a tiny circle in one. And then a triangle in one. And then a square in one.
Ooh, I want to do something different. Can I do like a tongue or something?
Yes.
Okay.
You can do whatever you want. I'm doing him eating the honeycomb.
Oh, gotcha. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do an S. Then I'm gonna grab this, and I'm gonna do like this.
Trace. You're gonna overlap it.
Yeah. And then maybe I will.
It looks like a path.
Yeah, right? And then maybe I will. I'll do a triangle. Maybe I'll do a square. And a circle inside a circle. And then what I want to do is I want to make it even creepier. I want to maybe do some like large hands that come out from right here.
Okay.
Ah. Ah.
I'm gonna make.
And now you want to color it?
Yeah.
Okay, it's time to color. So now that we've colored it, can you show me the final product?
It looks like a normal, and then
Whoa, super scary. Queen Ella, what did you draw?
I just draw with back right now. Spoken.
Okay, let's see it. Whoa, it's backwards. Whoa, that's spooky. That's a cool puppet, Ella. Good job.
Oh, and a heart.
And a heart. Okay, you forgot the heart.
Okay,
Dude, great job. That's okay. You did a great job. All we're doing is trying our best. This was pretty fun. Super easy to do. Check this one. So here it goes. And then, whoa, super spooky. Great job, King Theo. Great job. All right, guys. What do we want to tell our friends?
Thank you for watching. Thank you